Monday, August 21st, 2023, before the opening bell, Tesla is up? In the pre-market, Tesla is sitting at $222.30 per share, up 3.16% in the pre-market. Other than me placing a put this week, what could possibly have caused Tesla stock to rise? Tesla stock jumps 3.5% pre-market after Baird outlines catalysts for the second half. Tesla stock rose 3.5% in pre-market trade Monday, putting it on track to end a 6-day losing streak after Baird analyst Ben Kallo said price cuts and their impact on margins will drive the narrative for the electric vehicle maker in the second half. Potential upcoming catalysts for the stock include the Cybertruck launch, a wider scale adoption of FSD, continued growth in the energy business, expanding into new markets, and a possible AI day, among others. The analyst has an outperform rating on the stock, the equivalent of a buy, and a $300 price target that's some 39% above its current price. The stock has gained over 75% in the year to date, while the S&P 500 has gained 13.8%. As far as those catalysts go, I'd say a lot of that is already baked in. Maybe not the FSD. There's probably still plenty of Wall Street that doesn't figure Tesla will solve autonomy at their current angle of pursuit. And regarding that possible AI day, if it's anything like the last couple of AI days, the stock tends to go down afterwards. Unless Tesla reveals an obvious way to monetize artificial intelligence, the stock market again will misinterpret what Tesla has to display. But that pre-market gain, it does look like Tesla is on track to reverse its current trend. As soon as I make a put that expires at the end of the week. Feeling like Rodney Dangerfield over here, people. I gets no respect. Tesla swoons amid China price cuts. FISKER joins NAC's bandwagon, VinFast flashy debut raises eyebrows, and more. In case you missed it, biggest EV stories of the week. Electric vehicle stocks went down along with the broader market in the week that ended of August 18th as strong economic data stoked fears of more interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. Market leader Tesla fell in all 5 sessions of the week before settling at the lowest level since early June, taking a monster-sized bite out of my wallet in the process. Here are the key events that happened in the EV space during the week. Tesla China price cuts, Model 3 HIGHLAND rumors, and more. Close on the heels of Techno King Elon Musk hinting at more EV price cuts, Tesla downwardly adjusted prices of its Model S and Model X vehicles in China by as much as $7,400. The company also reduced the prices of the Model Y long range and performance variants in the country by approximately $1,923. It's getting tight in China. So what do? We're going to lower the prices of our most expensive trims and make them irresistible to those that still have fat wallets. Seems pretty standard to me. The EV pioneer also offered discounts on inventory vehicles in China. The market saw this as a desperate move to lure customers amid a challenging demand environment and competitive pressure. Investors did not take kindly to these developments and sold off the stock. Couldn't be me. On a more positive note, rumors suggest Tesla's refreshed Model 3 EV, widely referred to as HIGHLAND, will arrive in showrooms in China later this month. The company has reportedly neared completion of display vehicle manufacturing at the Giga Shanghai, and the vehicles will likely to be sent to showrooms in the later half of August. Future fund analyst and Tesla bull Gary Black sees the launch of the HIGHLAND model as a key near-term catalyst that can propel the stock. I tend to agree. Tesla is planning to enter the rental space with a new pilot program in Tejas. The company is prepping to recruit program manager for business development in Austin. The job description says the potential recruit will lead in the launch of the Tesla rental program in Texas and support the team on launching a small pilot in all Texas collision sites. So many possibilities with this one job posting. Initially, this should just service those that have their Tesla involved in an accident. For those that will be without their vehicle for extended periods of time, this rental program would obviously be a bridge to keep you on the go, but the application could be wider spread. Maybe there's a possibility even being a direct competitor to other rental companies like Hertz. It'll be interesting to see how this one plays out. FISKER to adopt Tesla's NACS. EV startup FISKER, which has taken baby steps into commercialization, announced that it has signed an agreement with Tesla to adopt the latter's North American charging standard for its first vehicles, beginning in the first quarter of 2025. The company said its partnership will provide its users with additional charging options. No surprise there. XPENG Q2 dragged by competitive pressure. Chinese EV startup XPENG reported this week a record quarterly loss of 2.7 billion won, despite its sales coming in line with expectations. This, my friends, is a margin issue. The company's gross margin inflected lower, turning from 10.9% in the same quarter last year to negative 3.9%. Sounds like me at the poker table. The Chinese EV market is in flux as industry players resort to aggressive price cuts to boost volumes. The company said it expects its G6 Ultrasmart Coupe SUV launched at the end of the second quarter to help boost margins. Good luck with that. VinFast Wall Street debut. Vietnamese EV company VinFast made a strong debut this week after it tapped the capital market through the SPAC route. The stock was listed on the Nasdaq on Tuesday and ended at $37.06, giving it a market capitalization higher than those of the legacy automakers such as Ford and General Motors. Analysts and investors cried foul over the development and predicted doomsday for the stock. It retreated over the remainder of the week like everybody else, before settling Friday's session down 23% at $15.40. Hopefully no one was so foolhardy that they decided to buy in over $35 per share. VinFast is doing some things that puts them on the radar, but they're nowhere near more valuable than Rivian. $15.40? That's a good spot for them to be in right now. Lamborghini to drive the EV route? Italian luxury and sports car manufacturer Lamborghini on Friday debuted its concept EV Lanzador, which it plans to launch by 2028. The company said the Lanzador is fully electric battery EV, will be equipped with 2 electric motors, 1 for each axle, providing all-wheel drive and efficiency. We got a rash of these high-end battery electric vehicles coming to market soon. Makes me wonder when the Tesla Roadster might make its debut. Class will be in session this Thursday. Make sure you're taking notes. In conclusion, after being down all last week, Tesla is up in the pre-market today. How it pans out, I guess we will have to wait and see. China is hitting everyone hard. Some harder than others. FISKER the latest to adopt the NACS. VinFast market cap is a little more palatable. And Lamborghini intends to show everyone how to make battery electric vehicles. I, for one, can't wait to see what Lamborghini produces. Well, that's all I have for you today. Be easy. Peace.